Welcome to Design in the World, the place where elegance and creativity merge to create an inspiring space in the world of design and interior decor. Today, we'll embark on a fascinating journey through the latest trends, iconic styles, and innovations that are shaping the global design landscape. From minimalist spaces embracing the purity of design to the fusion of styles creating unique harmonies, we'll explore how design can transform not only the interiors of our homes, but also our perception of space and beauty. Get ready to be captivated by the bold visions of visionary designers, to explore new aesthetic perspectives, and to discover how design, in all its forms, can truly reflect and shape our world. If you're ready for an adventure of style and innovation, settle in and let yourself be transported into the exciting world of design in the world. At the heart of minimalism lies a subtle art, a way of living and furnishing spaces that thrives on simplicity and elegance. Envision your living room as a work of art in itself, where each element is carefully chosen to create an environment that breathes harmony and tranquility. Paint the walls with neutral tones, welcoming like a blank canvas ready to host the story of your home. Subtle colors like white, gray, and beige become the canvas on which the narrative of your space unfolds. Furniture becomes silent protagonists of this narrative. Pieces with clean and simple lines, devoid of frills and unnecessary ornaments. Choose items that not only convey their function, but are also symbols of elegance and minimalism. Light and almost ethereal presence is crucial in this setting. Let natural light dance through open windows, caressing every corner of the room. As the sun sets, illuminate with lights of essential forms, creating a reassuring atmosphere. Quality fabrics such as linen or cotton envelop the furnishings with the softness of a well-written page. Minimalist rugs, perhaps without any pattern, emphasize the simplicity of the space, inviting you to walk on a terrain of pure harmony. Green plants, symbols of life and freshness, emerge as verdant chapters in the story of your living room. Essential vases without frills welcome these green creatures, bringing a touch of nature into the domestic environment. Minimalism is not just a style, but a philosophy. Each object, each detail, tells your conscious decision to embrace the essential, to inhabit a space where every element is part of a narrative of purity and clarity. Advantages of minimalist interior design. Minimalist interior design offers numerous advantages that contribute to creating a harmonious and relaxing home. Simplicity and clarity. By focusing on the essential, minimalist interior design creates an atmosphere of simplicity and clarity. Less clutter means fewer distractions and more space for relaxation. Cleanliness and relaxing. Atmosphere. The simplicity of minimalist interior design allows residents to focus on the essentials and avoid unnecessary distractions. Clean lines and minimalist design of furniture and decorations create a relaxing atmosphere that contributes to overall well-being. Ease of maintenance. Another advantage of the simplicity and clarity of minimalist interior design is the ease of maintenance and cleaning. Fewer items mean less dust and dirt, making household chores more manageable and leaving more time for other activities. More space and less clutter. By reducing furniture and decorative items, the room appears more spacious and open. A tidy and clean room reduces stress and promotes mental relief. Creating breathing space. Minimalist interior design allows for breathing space and enables residents to move more freely. The reduction of unnecessary items creates a sense of lightness and spaciousness, making the room feel larger. Improved concentration and productivity. The reduction of clutter also enhances concentration and productivity. A well-organized space promotes mental clarity, allowing occupants to focus better on their tasks. This can be beneficial both at home and in a work environment. In summary, minimalist interior design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers numerous benefits for the well-being and quality of life of occupants. By creating a simple, clear, and organized environment, you can establish a harmonious and relaxing home. Tips for implementing minimalist interior design. If you want to implement minimalist interior design in your home, here are some tips to help you achieve the desired look. Minimalist style is characterized by simple elegance and clean lines. Create a calm and understated atmosphere that invites relaxation and a sense of well-being. Choosing furniture and decor for minimalist interior design. Another crucial aspect in implementing minimalist interior design is the selection of furniture. Clean lines and simple designs are essential in this case. Avoid overloaded furniture and instead opt for functional and high-quality pieces. Less is more. This is the motto of minimalist style. Regarding decoration, moderation should also be key. A few well-placed decorative items can visually enhance the room without overwhelming it. Plants can be a wonderful addition, bringing vibrancy into the room. However, make sure not to have too many plants to maintain the minimalist character of the space. Another tip for implementing minimalist interior design is to keep items out of sight. Use closed cabinets and shelves to avoid clutter and create a tidy atmosphere. Minimalist interior design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical. The clear structure and reduced design visually expand the space, making it feel airy and open. In summary, implementing minimalist interior design requires adhering to basic principles such as choosing the right colors, furniture, and decorations. However, with a bit of planning and creativity, it's possible to create a harmonious and elegant home that radiates peace and relaxation. Avoiding pitfalls of minimalist style. While minimalist interior design offers many advantages, there are also some pitfalls to avoid. Too empty and impersonal. Sometimes minimalist style can be perceived as too empty or impersonal. To address this, it's beneficial to integrate personal items such as family photos or mementos into the decor to add a personal touch to the room. Preserving warmth and welcoming atmosphere. A minimalist room can sometimes appear cold and unwelcoming. To maintain warmth and intimacy, use fabrics like cushions, rugs, or curtains. Natural materials like wood can also create a warm atmosphere. Proper lighting is another important aspect of minimalist interior design. You can create a pleasant and inviting atmosphere with strategically placed light sources. For example, use dimmable lamps to adjust brightness according to your needs. A minimalist living room can be made more interesting by choosing the right furniture and accessories. Opt for pieces with intriguing shapes or unusual materials to add a touch of vibrancy to the room. Remember that often less is more. Choose carefully and avoid excessive decorations. To add a personal touch to your minimalist home, you can create specific accents. Choose one or two decorative items that are particularly meaningful to you and strategically place them in your living space. These could be artworks, plants, or memories, for example. These targeted accents will transform your minimalist home into an individual and unique sanctuary. In addition to the aesthetic aspect, minimalist interior design also offers practical advantages. By reducing unnecessary items, you create more space and order at home. You'll find that you spend less time tidying up and cleaning, leaving more time for truly important things. Minimalism also promotes more conscious consumption, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. When implementing minimalist style in your home, you'll discover that less can indeed be more. By consciously choosing colors, furniture, and decorative items, you can create a harmonious and relaxing environment that brings you peace and serenity. Give it a try and experience the benefits of a minimalist lifestyle. Throughout the 20th century, a wind of change swept through the realms of design and architecture. In this backdrop of transformation, a movement emerged that would redefine perspectives on space and form: minimalism. While there isn't a singular architect of this style, some key figures and movements from the modernist movement laid the groundwork for what we now know as minimalism. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, the renowned German-American architect, stands out among prominent figures. His assertion "less is more" became a mantra of architectural minimalism. The works of Mies van der Rohe exhibit geometric rigor and elegant simplicity that would inspire future generations. Frank Lloyd Wright, the visionary American architect, contributed to the radical shift in architectural perspectives. While his organic style isn't purely minimalist, his ability to redefine space and form influenced the modern approach to design. Movements such as De Stijl in the Netherlands and the Bauhaus school in Germany further shaped the landscape of minimalist design. De Stijl embraced the use of primary colors and geometric shapes, while Bauhaus emphasized the importance of uniting form and function. These pioneers laid the foundations for minimalism, a concept in constant evolution influenced by numerous figures and movements. Many contemporary designers have further refined and defined this style, making minimalism a significant force in the world of design. And with that, I'll let you continue watching the video. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch the next videos and share this experience on your socials. Remember, the more the merrier. Until next time, happy watching.